Use of assets disposal account. Assets disposal account. The purpose of the asset disposal account is given a clear and complete detail of all transactions involved in the sale of an asset under one head. This method is generally used when a part of the asset is sold by the business and provision for depreciation account exists. Under this method, a new account asset disposal account is prepared. The journal entries that would be done for assets disposal account are asset disposal account, debit to asset account, provision for depreciation account, debit to assets disposal account, bank account, debit to assets disposal account. The asset disposal account may show debit and credit balance. The debit balance indicates a loss due to disposal, whereas credit balance indicates a profit due to disposal. The entries would be done as follows. In case of loss, profit and loss account debit to asset disposal account. In case of profit, assets disposal account debit to profit and loss account. Effect of any addition or extension to existing assets. Any asset we use in business may require extension or additions to make it useful for the operations of the business. Such amount incurred on the assets is written off as depreciation over the life of an asset. AS6 mentions that any asset or extension should be depreciated over the useful life of the assets. The depreciation should be provided at the rate applied to the existing asset, where addition or extension of the assets is treated as a separate entity and can be used even if after the disposing of the assets.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.